welcome to Hot Mess Vlogmess, YotaStyle. All right guys, so this morning I've been watching a few videos trying to get caught up. I don't think I'm ever gonna get caught up, you guys, because this is a really busy time of year, but I'm trying. But for today's video, I am doing some packing because I'm going on a trip, you guys. I'm going somewhere up north, so you can only guess where it is I'm going. But the good news is I'm taking you guys along with me, and I'm super excited. So I'm gonna get packing and I'll show you some of the outfits I'm taking, and I'm just gonna let you guys try to figure out where it is I'm going. All right guys, so I was taking a little break from packing and wrapping. I have been skipping breakfast and just having some coffee because I say this all the time, I need to lose a few pounds, and people say, no, you don't. But to feel my very best, I really do want to lose about 10, 15, 20 pounds. I really could lose more, but anywho, I am taking a little break and I'm having some toast. Well, this is just what I have left right here. But my daughter has been making sourdough bread and bringing it over here, and it makes the best toast ever. And I've been eating bananas because I've been having some cramps. So I'm gonna put a tiny bit of peanut butter on my toast and a tiny bit of jam, and then have these bananas. So I've got some skim milk here. Now my doctor told me to stop drinking skim milk. He said I needed like 2% or whole milk, or she said, but I do enjoy skim milk, and it is low, I mean, there's no fat, so I do still drink it, but I do drink whole milk too. Anyway, that's my, I guess, brunch. So I'm gonna eat that and pack some more and wrap some more, and yeah, try to get some stuff knocked out of the way before my trip on Thursday. So I'll be back in a bit. One more thing, I was just gonna say, I'm really proud of my daughter because the things that she does, she's like my grandmother used to be, you guys. She loves baking bread, and I mean, she's just gotten into it. I told her I want a starter and I want to try it out, and if I get a starter, maybe I'll try it out for you guys. But she loves to can and make her own soups and tomato sauce and just all that stuff. She cans corn, puts up tomatoes. I mean, she's like an 80-year-old lady, you guys. But I think it's a good thing because that's kind of a dying art, you know? People really don't do that kind of thing anymore. I, on the other hand, took after my mom. We just buy our stuff. Or I just wait on my daughter to bring me some canned foods. Anyway, you guys, all right, I'm gonna go have my lunch and I'll be back in a bit. This time for good. Hi guys, okay, it's way later in the day. It's actually already dark. It's 5:30-ish. I've been packing today. I'm almost packed. I think I have to put 2 more outfits in there, and I'm ready for my trip on Thursday. I would like to know in the comment section below, where do you guys think I'm going? Just take a little guess. But anyway, I'll show you my outfit of the day. I'm not gonna be filming the video because my granddaughter's parents do not want them on video. So I'll just show you what I'm wearing, and then we're gonna be off. So this is just a really short and sweet video. I didn't really do a whole lot today because, you know, I broke my vertebrae in August. I've had a lot of nerve pain, and today it was pretty brutal. So I had to lay down and rest for a while. I wouldn't even be going anywhere if it weren't for this basketball game today. But anyway, you guys, today was a very uneventful day, just wrapping and packing and resting. So now I'm off to the game. I love you guys all so much, and let's see if there's anything else I need to tell you. I can't think of anything else, but don't forget to, oh, and I would love for you guys to guess in the comment section down below where it is you think I'm going. All right, guys, so this is really about the end of the video. Short and sweet, just throwing a Vlogmas out there, but I do have some really good stuff coming up, and I am going to review my Speedy 20 trunk, but I just haven't gotten around to it, but I am gonna review it for you people because I've had so many requests. All right, so I just have on this sweater, and actually this sweater was my mom's. So when we were going through things, and I think it's, I can't remember, maybe New York and Company. I thought it was kind of cute the way it's longer in the back. These little kind of windbreaker pants olive green. I got them at Walmart. So these are a large, and I got them large on purpose. I wanted them to be baggy, and I also bought a medium. And then I've got on my, oops, that strap. Hang on, let me try to, I've got on my little Gucci clogs that I absolutely love. It's not really cold today. It's about, well, it's about 60-ish, something like that. So that's what I'm wearing. I also have this Max Mara little jacket. It's a little rainy. I have this Louis Vuitton tote. I probably wouldn't be taking this, but I've got a couple of gifts in there for my granddaughters because I didn't get to go to Kennedy's birthday party this year, and I still have to give her her present, and I always throw a little something in there for little Molly Kate. But anyway, guys, that's my outfit. I know it's thrilling. I have on this chain with an initial L for my last name, and then this Louis Vuitton charm that Winnie B. LV had given me, and I like to wear these two pieces together. I'll link this little initial necklace down below. I love it so much, you guys. I have another one with a P for my first name. I think I'm gonna get my sister one for Christmas. They're very inexpensive, but really, really fun. Okay, guys, I'll see you guys later. Bye. I love you guys all so much. Hope you're having a fabulous week, and I'll see you later.